Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your 17th Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about constructors. So a lot of things are going to be cleared up in this video. So what a constructor is? So a constructor is basically allow you blah blah blah. So constructor basically allows you to initialize a variable, and by initialize it means giving a value to a variable as soon as its object is created. So it's going to be more clear if I show you here. So I have made a new class here, so let's make our main function first. So public static static void main, and I have mistakes in public also, and string args square brackets. Let's give a body and fix this public l. Yeah, and we are going to use the same class file as in the previous tutorial here. So I have to make an object for that. So mangoes, and I need to think of names here. Let's keep Tata Sky, or let's wait, it will get copyrighted. Let's go with input new mangoes, and that's it. And now if we want to print something using our saying method here, so we have mangoes. Yeah, okay. So input dot saying and semicolon, and now let's run it. So your first girlfriend was null, as we have not given any value to our instance variable here using the setName method. So currently it doesn't have any value. So now we are going to initiate our instance variable here using the constructor, not using this setName method which we used earlier. So for that we have to make a constructor here first. So again, a constructor allows you to initialize your instance variable as soon as the object is created. So this is an object, and as soon as it is created we can give the value to our private variable directly. So for that we are going to make another method which is going to be public, and for its name, a constructor always has the name of the class. So we, oh man, again L missing in public. Okay, so public mangoes and parenthesis, and inside it, okay, we need to get input, so we are going to give string name, and similarly like this method, girl name equals to name. Okay, so this is our constructor here. It will get the input and simply assign the value to our instance variable. So now you can now you will say like, what's the benefit? So the benefit is that now we don't have to write any more lines of code, and we can simply inside this parenthesis give whatever value we want to print. So let's again print some name, errors, no errors. Okay, so here you go. As you can see, we didn't have to write those get system outlines or next line thing, and simply using the constructor here. So what we were doing since till now, this new then name of the class thing was simply we were mentioning the name of the constructor. So that's how constructor works. So it is not very impressive. And so one more benefit of the constructor is that if we make another object of the same class like mangoes, and let's give it name input 2 and equals to new mangoes, and parenthesis, and inside it new okay, for the sake of video. Okay, so now we have made another, okay, input, yeah, correct. So we have made another object of the same mangoes class here, and to its constructor we are passing a different value. So the beauty of this constructor is that it is going to create another instance variable for the second object, and it is all happening behind the scene. Like we don't have to do anything extra like writing lines of code. It will be happening behind the scenes, and using that we can simply print this. Like these two objects cannot see the value of each other or variables of each other. So if now I write input 2 dot saying and run, where is one? Okay, yeah, proceed. So as you can see, I need to move it to the next line. Printf. Okay, how was the new line here? Something like this. Yep. And let's see. Yep. So as you can see, we are using two different methods, but we have the same constructor here and we are getting different outputs. So again, constructors simply provide you a way to initialize the instance variable as soon as the object is created. So in the future videos I am going to show you more useful way to use the constructors, but yeah, that's how most simply I can explain about the constructor. So see you in the next video.